runway, space shuttle tires took a lot of pressure from orbit to landing. The shuttle tires weather temperature changes of up to 170 degrees Fahrenheit and a drop in altitude of over 200 miles in less than an hour. Altitude and temperature changes in air pressure, which could have caused tires to be reversed if they weren't designed to meet the challenge. Like tires on most aircraft, space shuttle tires were filled with nitrogen. Nitrogen works better during altitude and temperature changes than air, which is made of 21% oxygen. Nitrogen also resists fire since the molecules are bigger than oxygen. Nitrogen leaks out from tires more slowly, which is a big plus in a vacuum of space. Electricity on the space shuttle orbiters came from fuel cell power plants. The orbiters' fuel cells generate electricity from chemical reactions using hydrogen and oxygen instead of the pollutants left behind from burning gasoline or other fuels. The only leftovers after the chemical reactions were water and heat, both of which came in handy on the shuttle for other uses. This fuel cell power plant used on Endeavour produced several kilowatts maximum continuous power, that's enough to power 115-60-watt light bulbs at a time. Each orbit had 3 fuel cell power plants on board for every mission, where 2 would have generated enough energy for the orbiter alone. The third made sure that enough electricity was produced to power payloads too. Recycling leftovers. One of the leftover products from the chemical reactions in the fuel cells, water, was as helpful to the astronauts as the electricity. The water produced when the hydrogen and oxygen combined could be used for the crew to drink or to rehydrate food in the gallery. The orbiters could also leave extra water from the fuel cells to supply the International Space Station, which was much less expensive than transporting water from Earth. On August 1st, 1987, final assembly officially began Orbiter Vehicle 105, later known as Endeavour, the nation's fifth space-worthy shuttle and the newest of the fleet, as with all the orbiter's parts of OV-105 were constructed all over the country, but many of its components, such as the crew compartment and fuselage, were manufactured here in California. Pieces came together in Glendale, California, where workers at Rockwell International assembled tested
surprised how powerful this was. That's why we actually have a dog on board. A bit like a camp, it's always this fluid experiments that allows you to see what happens to a bunch of these microgravities. These fluid will tend to assume some minimal energy level in the sphere. That's the science part of it. The fun part of it is watching a bunch of grown men trying to play with bubbles of fluid in zero gravity.
Various nonlinear fluid mechanics, physical elastic properties are important in space. Thank goodness many of the science experimental catalysts.
Big when that came out.
That's how it was so important.
Yeah, we should have been in space.
Passes through the area of maximum volumetric pressure on the vehicle in the lower atmosphere. Approaching 1 minute limit. Endeavor's 3 main engines now back into full throttle, all 3 engines in good shape. Endeavor's already traveling 1,400 miles per hour. Altitude 11 miles downrange from the Kennedy Space Center, now 12 miles. And liftoff. All set portion of the boosters. Here shortly, 2-3 system has done its job of settling out any dispersions introduced at first booster separation. The orbiter is now traveling 3,200 miles per hour, downrange 50 miles, altitude 37 miles, all systems in good shape. Pretty good hydraulic systems, auxiliary power units, and fuel cells providing electrical power systems. Reach a towel site at the event of a single engine failure. However, all 3 are in good shape. The Space Shuttle Endeavour set into fair winds on its final historic voyage. As you looking down next to the fuel tank and fuel further on the top, the Endeavour continues to power its way into orbit. space on the forward flight deck is Commander Mark Kelly and pilot Greg Johnson. Between and behind them is flight engineer Roberto Vittori. Rounding out the flight deck was Mike Endeavor could reach 102 meters from the failed ice farm. However, all three are performing as planned. Down on the mid-deck of Endeavor, Andrew Puesto and Greg Chantal. Puesto headed to the International Space Station for their first time. Vittori and Fink making their first voyage on the space shuttle. Flying to the International Space Station after the Soyuz spacecraft.
Originally built by Rocketdyne in Canoga Park, California. Plus we have 3 at the back of the shoulder.